Hello everyone, this is Pooja and welcome to the world of French language. And lingua franca is my endeavor to make this language easy, accessible and affordable for you all. So now you might be thinking, how can I make it easy, because everybody knows that French is very typical and very tough language. So my first point, that's very easy, because in my classes you will be taught English to French. That means nowadays everybody knows English, so easily you can grasp the thing, you can understand the things. And the second thing, that you will be taught by one trainer, that means that will be the one-to-one session. So there is no problem of hesitation as well. Whenever you have any confusion, you have any doubt, on the spot you can clear with the trainer. So in this way, that's becoming very easy for you all. And now my second point is accessible. So how is it accessible? Nowadays, internet has become the part of our life. We are always connected to the internet with lots of application. So why shouldn't we use it for learning as well? So just because of that reason, I have chosen this platform for teaching as well. Because these online classes you can attend wherever you are, either in your office or at your home. You are in your city or you are in different city. So everywhere you can learn the things whatever you want. But you must be very attentive, sure. Because that needs a bit attention, the language needs attention of yours also. So that is in your tip. And now in this way you can save your time and money as well nowadays. And my third point for you, that is affordable. Whenever we think about that I have to learn any language, so we have a graph like we have to pay a huge amount of fees, then only we can learn. But here there is no problem of that. According to your requirement, you can follow the course. Like if you just want conversation and the communication, so you can join the basic and the advanced course. But if you want diploma and certificate, so that type of course, and for that you don't have to pay like 30 and 40,000 rupees. You have to just pay the reasonable amount, and that amount you can compare with other institutions and other companies and the colleges as well. So that is very affordable for you all also. And now I would like to tell you something about French also. As you know, French is a global language, okay? So that opens several opportunities for you in several areas. Like you can do job in MNCs if you have a good knowledge. You can do job in schools, international schools. You can be a translator, interpreter. So there is no limit of getting job by this. So I hope you would be connecting with us to groom your career and to enhance your personality. Thank you very much.